Greg, thank you for coming in.
Lori, it's good to be here.
Here's the case. Sean Finnegan accused of luring Jennifer Paxton to his home with a promise of giving her a place to stay. That home became the scene of a gruesome murder, and the horrific nature is certainly criteria for the death penalty.
It is, and this case has captured the attention of national media for all the wrong reasons. Finnegan lured her to the home with a promise of shelter, food, a place to stay, and instead they chained her to a bed with a dog collar, repeatedly beat, raped, and tortured her, and then at the end mutilated and abused the corpse. A very horrific story out of Anderson County.
You say they, you're talking about Rebecca Dishman, who actually made a plea in the case and had some pretty awful things to say on the stand about what happened.
Yeah, and you know, when the stakes are death, you know, when a co-defendant flips, you know, they really don't get a lot in return other than a chance not to be subject to the death penalty. She pled guilty but received a life sentence plus 50 years. But she has told some riveting testimony as it related to what transpired in that home.
Let's talk about what the jury must decide. First of all, they have to be unanimous.
They do.
After a guilty conviction.
And there are two ways that you can, a prosecutor can ask for the death penalty in Tennessee law. One is for first-degree premeditated murder, which is alleged here. As of May of 2024, Tennessee joined Florida as a case that has capital punishment for rape of a child. Only 2 states in the union. But what happens after a conviction, you have a mini trial, and the state has to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that aggravating factors by statute, there's 17, outweigh any mitigating factors raised by the defense. The jury must return a unanimous verdict if it is for death.
And the heinous nature of this crime is number 5 on that aggravating factors list.
It is. Then abuse of a corpse is also on that list. So, you know, the defense has got their work cut out for them because a lot of facts. And what you see in a capital case, because prosecutors in East Tennessee use the death penalty judiciously because it really ties up a lot of their resources, and the appeals can go on forever.
For years.
For years.
We have someone on death row for what, since 1983? Since
1983, that's the longest in the state of Tennessee.
Wow.
And the appeals go all the way up to the Supreme Court. The justice designed for last-minute 11th-hour appeals is Justice Kagan here in Tennessee. But death is different. So very rarely done. But what you see, Lori, in a case where prosecutors file that notice, it is a heinous and atrocious case. But what's going to be interesting in this case, typically you see the defense rely on a mental responsibility defense, and I'm not seeing any signs that that's going to emerge. And if you don't, then you have people that just knowingly, intelligently committed some very horrific facts if they are as alleged and proven by the state.
All right, thank you so much. We'll be watching this.